Title: The Woman Who Defeated the Roman Empire. Boudica around 60 AD, in Roman-occupied Britain, lived Boudica, queen of the Iceni tribe. When her husband died, the Romans ignored his will, seized the kingdom, flogged Boudica, and assaulted her daughters. Humiliated but unbroken, she rose in fury. Boudica united several tribes under her command, a rare feat in a land divided by rivalries. Her warriors struck with devastating force, destroying the Roman city of Camulodunum, burning Londinium, and slaughtering tens of thousands. The Roman governor, Suetonius Paulinus, rushed back to face her. In the final battle, Roman discipline and tactics overcame the vast numbers of her army. Defeated, Boudica is said to have taken her own life rather than be captured. Her rebellion shook the Roman Empire, proving that even the mightiest power could be challenged by the will of a determined leader. Fire call to action. CTA: never mistake cruelty for strength, for injustice will awaken resistance. Boudica's legacy is clear. When freedom is stolen, the fight for it can echo for centuries.